Okay, so welcome back. This is another video looking at the carbonyls compounds, and this is looking at one of the tests for the aldehydes. So I've got silver nitrate, propanol, sodium hydroxide and ammonia, and I'm going to do what we call the silver mirror test. So here is some test tubes, and I'm just going to take you through what we do for our silver mirror test. So I'm going to start by putting about 2 centimeters cubed of silver nitrate into one of my test tubes. Like that. So I've just got some silver nitrate in there. To that I'm going to add some sodium hydroxide. So that's going to go in next. And I want to make a precipitate. So you should see I get sort of a grey precipitate being formed. Now it's only actually the precipitate I want, so what I would normally do is let that one settle. So I'm going to move that one out of the way, because here's one I kind of made earlier. So you can see there it's separating out into solution and the precipitate. And I just want to get rid of the solution on the top, so I'm just going to take that off. I'm just going to suck it up just using a normal dropping pipette, because it's just the solid at the bottom that I want. Okay, and that's probably bad enough. I'll leave a little bit of liquid in there. Now to that I need to add some concentrated ammonia until I get a solution. So I'm going to add a good healthy slug of that. You can see there's bits floating at the bottom still, so it does need a very good shake. And you should see they're starting to go. And when I've added all of those, so that's basically my failing solution now made. So I now need to test my reagent. So I've got my failing solution, and sorry, I've got my ammoniacal silver nitrate solution, not failings. I've got my ammoniacal nitrate solution. So I'm going to now add my my aldehyde to this, and I'm going to hope that I get about that many drops will do. There we go. Okay, now you should see that I get, in that case, I've got a black precipitate. Now, black precipitate is perfectly valid as a result. It really depends whether you get a black precipitate or what we call a silver mirror due to the cleanliness test tubes. But actually you can see there, I hope you can start to see that my silver mirror is starting to form. So you can see there on the black, you're starting to get a little bit of silver being formed. And again, just to save us a bit of time, you can keep your eye on that one. Here's one I made earlier. Okay, so that is your silver mirror test. That's ammoniacal silver nitrate. And you'll need to write that up in your notes.